Hi there, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest. This is my gardening YouTube channel, and today I am doing a spring feeding for my roses. This is a David Austin rose that I'll hopefully be working a lot with this year. It's kind of been ignored and I want to bring it into its full beauty. So basically I feed my roses once per year. Repeat flowering ones do get a little bit of a secondary feed after their spring flowering, but most of them I'm feeding in April. I look for these little kind of leaflet groups to appear, and as they're starting to want to burst forth with their spring growth. So April is usually the time in our area in zone 5 to feed them. But yeah, I like to feed them after they've come out of dormancy, but before they're really getting going. I always use rose food. I don't use Epsom salts. I don't use like a synthetic fertilizer. I use like an organic rose food. David Austin makes an organic based rose food. I use ProMix organic flower boost, which is OMRI certified or OMRI listed. Espoma makes the rose tone. And there's some liquid fertilizers too. I just like to use the granular fertilizers because I only have to apply them once in the spring. And then I can just water and mulch and kind of be done with it. So if you like liquid fertilizers, go ahead and use them. I think they're really great. I just like to do the slow release. Yeah, so most of the slow release granular fertilizers, yeah, this is the ProMix Flower Boost. If you can see it. So it's just little, brown granular fertilizer. I put it just on the soil around the plant, just as far out as the branches kind of stick out. So this, when they're small, you're not feeding actually that much of the soil. And you're feeding the soil, I guess, really, not the plant. But yeah. So what I do is I just sprinkle it around. I read the instructions always for your specific rose food, but I sprinkle it around. Most of the rose foods I've used is about 2 tablespoons per rose, which is like 30 grams. Some climbing roses, if it's a really big established rose, it might need a double dose. So some of them have like 4 tablespoons or 60 grams. But it will say on the rose food if that's so. This is not a very big rose, so I think it's fine with just the normal amount. Okay, so that's spread out, and now what I have to do is give it a bit of a water, and then most important is to mulch it. So I like to mulch with homemade compost. It also kind of feeds the plant, and it's a nice dark color, and I don't know, I just love compost. Now if you like this kind of thing, this channel is all about gardening. So I'll be posting more videos like this, so go ahead and click subscribe if you like these kind of gardening videos, and YouTube will know to suggest more of them to you. Okay, thanks. Bye.